All right, this is the continuation of the story, Simila, part 2. All right, and let's go right into it. So, um, natingala si Mila, nganong gabuhaton kini nilito nga dato man siya, okay? This one is a good word, natingala, okay? Natingala si Mila. Natingala is the root word from the word verb or natingala, right? The root verb is tingala. And tingala means to be in wonder or to be bewildered or confused or kind of like, huh, what's going on? Like to be a little shocked or a little surprised or confused and kind of wondering what's going on or what's happening. So in this situation, natingala si Mila, nganong gabuhaton kini ni Lito nga dato man siya. Mila was Mila wondered, right? It's like, oh, Mila wondered why did Lito or why did he do this when Lito is rich, right? Why did Lito do this when he's rich, or why would Lito do such a thing when he's rich? And that's why she's all kind of natingala is like, oh, I'm all wondered, kind of in speculation, right? Giingnan dayon siya ni Lito nga gitudloan siya sa iyang papa ug mama nga maghinlo og dili maglabay ang basura bisan asa, right? Giingnan dayon siya. He told her now, Lito told her now that gitudloan siya sa iyang mama ug papa, that his mom and dad taught him, right? Gitudloan siya sa iyang mama ug papa. His mom and dad taught him that manghinlo, okay, manghinlo is that cleaning or clearing up, and to clear up or to clean up or to clear up whatever mess there was, and to not throw away garbage bisan asa, meaning anywhere, right? Wherever or anywhere. Para hinlo ang palibot, right? In order or so that, or in order so that your surroundings are clear, or for the surroundings to be clear, because kay ang hugaw nga palibot, because a dirty surrounding or a dirty environment gahatag kini og sakit sa mga tawo, gives sickness to people, or it's something that's not healthy. Sakit meaning to be sick, right? Or sickness, right? Gahatag kini og sakit sa mga tawo, so meaning this gives people sickness or unhealthiness or unhygienic kind of a deal, right? Dili maghulat sa ubang tawo nga maoy mapudyot sa atong kalat, right? Dili maghulat, it's like don't wait, right? Hulat is the word to wait. So don't wait for other people, sa ubang tawo, right? For other people nga maoy mapudyot sa atong kalat, right? That they will be the ones to pick up after us or pick up our trash or after our mess. Atong kalat, our mess. And where are we? Ugkita mismo, so, and us, because kita means we, the first person singular, first person plural, first person plural, inclusive, we, meaning you and me, both of us, the speaker and the listener, right? And ugkita mismo, and us, ourselves, mismo makes this whole, makes the personal pronoun, it makes it reflexive, right? Mismo, ourselves. Ako mismo, ikaw mismo, you yourself, us, even us ourselves, right? So us ourselves, motabang sa sorry, motabang sa katiman, right? Pagatiman sa atong palibot, right? Motabang sa pagatiman sa atong palibot. Nasabtan kini ni Mila, right? So nasabtan comes from the word kasabot. So it's been conjugated, right? Nasabtan, because if we put a circumfix with this, there's a morphological process that happened here. So nasabotan gets shortened to now in its conjugated form, nasabtan kini ni Mila ug naingon siya sa iyang kaugalingon, right? So Mila understood this, and she told herself, right? Sa iyang kaugalingon means iyang her own self, right? This is another word that you can say that's reflexive to your own self. Akong kaugalingon, me to myself, right? I sa iyang to herself, iyang kaugalingon or her being, I guess. Nga dili na siya mousab sa pagpanglabay, right? So pagpanglabay, right? Again, pagpang is the prefix, but the root word here is labay. So pagpanglabay og basura bisan asa. So she told herself that she will no longer do it again, right? Do again. So muusab. Usab means to be again, right? To repeat something again, to do something again. So muusab in this case, we made it into a verb, right? Sa pagpanglabay o basura bisan asa. So she told herself that she won't do it again, to just throw away whatever garbage just anywhere. Ug mutabang, okay. Ug motabang na siya sa panghinlo, and she will help in clearing, right, sa hinlo sa iyang palibot, in clearing her environment or her surroundings. Malipayon si Mila pag-uli sa ilang balay, right? So Mila became happy when they went to their home. Pag-uli sa ilang balay, ug iyang giingon kini sa iyang mga amiga, and this is what she told to her friends, right? Mga amiga, meaning her friends who are females. Amiga ends in an A, so it's gonna be all female friends. And this is what she told to her female friends. Ang iyang mga natun-an kay Lito. So Mila was happy to go back home, and she told this to her friends, whatever she learned from Lito. Ang iyang mga katun-an kay Lito. So tun-an is whatever she was taught by kay Lito, because of Lito, I should say, because of Lito. All right. So hopefully this is I mean, I know I went by really fast because I'm kind of on a rush. So sorry if this is a boat ton, but yeah.